were born restless minds, incompatible different times. So we had to read between the lines.